Crude oil WTI and natural gas both trying to show a little recovery, and it is good to see natural gas recovering a bit because it has seen sharp beating throughout few last week. So now what to expect? Are these both WTI and NG are good to buy today, and if yes, which positions you should take, whether to buy, whether to sell? We will see with the help of charts and indicators. Do not forget to like, share, subscribe and comment. Do not forget to press the bell icon. The next update for crude oil will be released before the US session. Do watch that also. Let's start. First, we'll look into US crude, followed with natural gas. Do watch till the end. Do listen to it carefully. Note down the levels and trade as per the level. Now see, these are the hourly charts. You can clearly see multiple candles getting the resistance there at 74 levels, which is certainly very good resistance. In fact, 73.9 itself they've got the resistance. So probably once you see it trading above 74, you can buy for 74.2, 74.6, and then beyond that 75 can be seen. Now 75 is the ultimate resistance beyond which only little more bullishness can be seen. So you have to wait a little. Yes, you can buy at 74, but you have to trail your stop losses. Now look at the hourly charts also. On the downside, you can see 73.4 levels giving it a very good support. So let's see how it behaves there. Directional movement is divergent and bearish. Stochastic has seen a little recovery, now trading near to the highs. The MACD is bearish and trying to converge here. Crossover for the buy entry. RSI is trading at bottom. And if you look at 2-hour chart, likewise, on the 2-hour charts, lower highs are seen. Wait for it to break out beyond 74, then only there could be increasing bullishness which will be seen. 72.2, 72.6 levels will be the next target, and then 75 the ultimate resistance. Directional movement bearish. Stochastic is oversold here, which can bring a little recovery. The MACD is also trading bearish here. It can converge a bit as it is trading at bottom. Probably we may see a little convergence and a little bullish move or recovery there. RSI is trading at bottom, and similar observation on the 3-hour chart. Support there on the downside at 73.4, 73.2 levels. Lower highs are seen waiting for a breakout here. Directional movement divergent and bearish. Stochastic is oversold and possibly it can bring little recovery. Same thing is with MACD at extreme levels, and hence probably converge and trade bullish can be seen. RSI is trading at bottom again. Now look at 4-hour chart. Similar is the observation on the 4-hour charts. Nothing different. The level remains the same. Directional movement bearish. Stochastic oversold. The MACD is divergent and bearish. RSI trading oversold. And if you look at the daily, now see on the daily charts, you can clearly see multiple candles getting the support here at 73.4 levels, and in fact till 73 levels, and since then every candle has seen a recovery. Yes, it has completed the journey till here, and now probably I will look forward to how it behaves at 74, 75 levels. Probably this should still be considered for a retracement, because see, after looking forward to three strongly bearish candle, it may try to recover a bit before it looks over to reverse again. And if it is bearish, it has to break past this zone. Certainly it will bring further bearishness still towards 72 and 70 levels in the coming few days. And right now it has to break past 73 in order to trade little more bearish. See, the directional movement is still bearish here, divergent. Stochastic is oversold. The MACD is divergent and bearish. The RSI is trading at bottom. And considering this for the day, you can buy at 74. Expect the nearest and first resistance at 74.2, then 74.6, and beyond that 75 levels. Once it trades above 75, certainly more bullishness can be seen, taking it for 75.5 and 76 levels on the daily charts. On the downside, beware of 73.4 and 73 levels. Once it breaks below this zone, you can expect a sharper drop which might take it for 72.4, 72, and then 70 levels, if not today, possibly in next few sessions. But right now it is trading oversold, and hence a little recovery is expected. A good comfortable level to stay long is only above 74 for the day, but also you have to trade strictly with the trailing stop loss, where your position closes in profit if the market tries to reverse, and hence trade with the trailing stop loss, trade with the stop loss there. Now let's have a look at natural gas. And for the oil also, remember one fact, it has to trade below 73 in order to give a little more bearish move. Now look at the natural gas charts on the hourly charts here. On the hourly charts, see, this is still giving you lower highs, lower lows. So on the hourly charts, it is trying to create another bearish formation. Let it break past 2.5 and then you can stay long about 2.5 for 2.52, and then if it breaks past 2.55, consider this for a reversal tilt towards 2.6 levels. Only about 2.6 little more bullishness can be confirmed. Now also remember the fact there is a gap between 2.44 and 2.42 levels which might get filled here, and yes, only and only if you see it trading below 2.4 we can see a further bearish move there. Else this is it is trying to recover a bit, and hence we need to remain cautious because this is trading extremely oversold. We never know which point of time it can try to completely bounce back or reverse. Now look at the directional movement. This is still trading with the crossover. This is trading bullish. Stochastic is overbought. The MACD is divergent and bullish. RSI is trading flat there. And if you look at 2 hour charts, if you look at the 2 hour charts, the bottoms are very well aligned here, and that is why we can see achieving those levels. It is trying to rise also on the upside. Now if you connect the highs here, you can find that 2.5 levels certainly be a good resistance there. Beyond that 2.55, only and only if it trades about 2.55, we can expect that it is trying to recover a bit, and then we may see it hitting this zone between 2.6 and 2.7 levels. The directional movement is willing to cross over for a bullish move. Stochastic rising. The MACD has crossed over. This is trading with little divergence and little bullishness. RSI is also trying to rise from the oversold zone. And if you look at the 3 hour charts, on the 3 hour charts also, the lows are very well aligned, and see the bottom channel is pretty intact there. All the levels remain same, and now it is trying to recover a bit. The 20 period moving average also sits here. So yes, 2.5 levels is a good entry point. Then you can expect 2.55 as the next and strongest resistance. Beyond that, certainly more bullish momentum can be seen. The directional movement bearish trying to cross over, stochastic rising, the MACD divergent and bullish, RSI trading flat. And if you look at the 4 hour charts, now see on the 4 hour charts, look at this candle. It has got the support at 2.55 and then at 2.45 and then at 2.44 levels. So yes, below 2.44 it can bring little bearishness which may take it till towards 2.4 to 2.4, and once it trades below 2.4 there could be little more bearishness which will be seen there. So you can sell at 2.44 levels and expect a little drop. Directional movement is bearish trying to converge. Stochastic rising there. The MACD has crossed over. This is trading with divergence. This is indicating little bullishness because this crossover is happening at a bottom, and hence it may bring little rise. RSI trying to look upwards, trying to show little bullishness. Now look at the daily charts. Now see, in the weekly analysis I did tell you that here is the bottom for the channel in which NG is trading, and this is a bearish channel. So far NG has been trading within this channel. It has seen the bottom. Now probably it can try to recover a bit. Now also if you look at the daily charts, you can find that this is also lower highs we have seen in the past, and hence only and only if you see it trading about 2.55, you 2.5 you can buy for 2.55 and 2.6, and yes, if it trades about 2.6 we may see a little more recovery till towards 2.65 2.7 levels. Remember, as I told you in my weekly analysis, it has to break past this zone at 2.8 and 3 in order to trade bullish. So far it is trying to recover a bit. Also on the downside below 2.44, yes, you can sell for 2.4, and then below that further drop can be seen. Directional movement is still divergent, bearish, stochastic oversold. The MACD is still in green with a very little divergence. RSI is trading oversold, which gives me always an expectation. But since last 2 weeks, it has not even shown a little slight sight of reversal. It is just a minor couple of green candles, just retracement, and then again trading bearish. And hence, you have to remain cautious in NG till the time it trades below $3 levels. Every point of rise, yes, you can buy, but you have to strictly trade with the trailing stop loss. So for the day, buy at 2.5 and sell at 2.44. In between this, that is 0.06 cents, 6 cents, you should trade with caution there. And above 2.5, 2.55, 2.52 and 2.55 is the first resistance zone. About 2.55 only if it trades, we can see little more bullishness taking it for 2.6 and further highs. On the downside, sell at 2.44, and only bearish confirmation is if it trades below 2.4, where you can see 2.38, 2.34, and then 2.3 levels. Take your trades accordingly. Trade with a stop loss, trade with a trailing stop loss, and do not forget to like, share, subscribe, and comment. Do not forget to press the bell icon. Join my mentorship batch if you want to learn the art of trading. Reach out to me for more details. Thank you very much. Have a great profitable trading day ahead. Thank you.